Don't cross that line. You want to get in, you check in with customs. Hey! Don't cross the line. Don't cross that line, I will shoot you. You check in, you're going to check in over there with customs. Right down there, don't cross that line or I will fucking light you up. You go around. You go around the car. Right around there. Right around. Nope, you're going that way.
I have to go.
You're going that way. You're going the other way. What are you reaching for? You cannot. You want to get in, you check in with customs.
Where's customs?
Right here. Right at the end of the side. Aldo. His name's Aldo.
Aldo!
You got one coming in to check in. Don't cross that line! Hey! Get back on the line right now! Right now! Right now! Or I will shoot you! You crossed the line, man, I told you. Don't cross that line, sir. Don't cross that line.
Why not?
If you want to come in, you're checking in with customs.
Oh, where's customs?
Right over here, on the other side of the car.
They're not letting us in. Like, I think. Like,
We're sitting in one person at a time, so you got to line up. You're going to wait.
There's nobody else going in. Isn't this Canada? I bleed. I want more lemon bread.
I'm letting all of you know, if you cross the line, I will shoot you. You want to get in, you check with customs. Right over here. Right at the edge of this building. At the edge of the building, you go there. Back it up right now. Let's go. Heavy, talk to me. Don't cross the line. Don't cross that line. I will shoot you. Same with you, sir. Same with you. I've shot one guy already. Excuse me, sir. Get over back the line, that way. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right here. I'm gonna count to 3. 3.
That's my
2.
We are like brothers.
That's nice. Back over the line, sir.
Same mother.
I said over the line, sir. Right back. Thank you.
I'm just
well, you're gonna wait right there. Don't move, please.
I think you need a hug. You need a hug.
Don't cross.
Come get with the hug. Go on, dude. Oh, we have Richmond? Oh, sweet.
Watch the line, sir. You're gonna line up right behind him.
We're waiting. We're waiting.
Excuse me, sir. Get back out of there now! Get back out of there right now! Nice.
I do not know why. You go to your country.
I'm dead. Okay. Is everybody else dead? Tender.
Hey,